Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears without a mold. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, your favorite fruit juice, and a touch of sweetener. Gently heat the juice, then whisk in the gelatin until fully dissolved. Pour this warm mixture into a shallow, parchment-lined pan. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours until completely firm. Once your gummy mixture is perfectly firm, it's time to create your bears. Carefully lift the set gummy from the pan using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to slice the gummy into long strips, then cut across to form small squares or rectangles. For more fun, try tiny cookie cutters. The beauty of homemade gummies is customization. Feel free to use any fruit juice you love, like cherry, orange, or grape, to change the flavor profile. For a visual pop, add a few drops of food coloring to the warm mixture before pouring it into the pan. You can also stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of a natural extract, like vanilla or peppermint, for an extra kick. To keep your delicious homemade gummy bears fresh, proper storage is key. Once cut, place them in an airtight container. They will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 1 week. If you find them sticking together, a light dusting of cornstarch or powdered sugar can help. Enjoy your mold-free gummy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.